Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing great and are staying safe. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a prosperous year ahead. In case you haven't prepared the Christmas cake yet, I have here a recipe for instant Christmas plum cake, which does not require you to soak the fruits in advance, and also it is alcohol free. So let's quickly go ahead and check the ingredients required. Here I have a saucepan into which I'm adding in half a cup of water. Next, in goes quarter cup of orange juice. In case you do not have orange juice, you may add in grape juice, apple juice or mixed fruit juice. And in case you have none of these, you may just add in water. Next goes 1 cup of brown sugar. In case you do not have brown sugar, you may add in regular white sugar along with 2 tablespoons of dark cocoa powder. This is to enhance the brown color in the plum cake. Next goes 4 to 5 pitted dates, some chopped apricots, next quarter cup of prunes, next quarter cup of golden raisins, next quarter cup of candied pineapple, quarter cup of candied papaya. The choice of fruits and the quantity is all up to you. You may play around with it. Next, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of butter. And I have the pan on a medium flame. Now I'm going to allow this to cook for 5 minutes until the fruit soaks up some juice and becomes soft and plump. It's been 5 minutes and I've been stirring this occasionally. Now I'm going to turn off the flame and allow this to cool completely. Meanwhile, let's prepare the cake tin. I have here an 8-inch circular cake tin. I'm going to line the base with 2 parchment paper. The reason why I do this is because the plum cake batter is quite heavy because it has all the dry fruits in it and it takes longer to bake, so there are all chances of the base getting burnt. So it's always better to line the bottom of the cake tin with 2 parchment paper, and I'm also lining the edges of the cake tin so as to avoid the edges of the cake from becoming hard. Prepare the dry ingredients first, for which I have here 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour or maida in a bowl, into which I'm adding in quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/8 teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In goes 1 teaspoon of orange zest. You may even add lemon zest and clove powder. I'm giving all this a good mix just to incorporate everything. Let's go ahead and prepare the wet ingredients, for which I have cracked in 2 eggs here in a mixing bowl. I'm going to whisk this until it becomes light and fluffy. In case you want to make a eggless cake, you can replace 2 eggs with 1 cup of fresh yogurt or curd, or with 1 big ripe banana mashed. Once the egg is light and fluffy, I'm adding in half a cup of vegetable oil. You may use any odorless oil, or you may use melted butter as well. In goes 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now I'm going to mix all this. Have here our fruit mixture, which is completely cool, and you can see that it has thickened considerably. Now I'm going to add this into our egg mixture and I'm going to mix everything well. Now let's add our prepared dry ingredients into this. Now gently mix in everything together using the cut and fold method. Now I'm going to fold in a few more ingredients. Here I have 1/4 cup of tutti frutti, 1/4 cup of chopped cashew nuts, 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts. Now for our last ingredient, 1/4 cup of chopped almonds. Let's fold in all this together. Now that our cake batter is ready, let's transfer this into our prepared cake tin. Once you have transferred all the cake batter into the cake tin, tap the cake tin a couple of times on the countertop so as to release all the air bubbles in the cake batter. Now I'm going to pop this into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 55 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean when inserted in the middle of the cake. So you can see here that our cake has baked and come out of the oven. So friends, I hope you will give this instant fruit cake a try and enjoy this festive season with your family and friends with this awesome plum cake. I hope you enjoyed watching this video of mine as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, please express by clicking on that like button. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel as I have more exciting videos coming up. So until I see you all the next time, stay safe, stay positive, take care, bye-bye.